Want to turn that American Express gift card into your next eBay treasure? Let's unlock the secrets to using it seamlessly. First, activate your American Express gift card by going to the website listed on the back of the card. This is crucial. Enter the card number, security code, and any required personal information to complete the activation. Don't skip this step, or it won't work on eBay. Next, head over to eBay and sign into your account. If you don't have one, now's the time to create one. It's free and easy. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings and find the payment options section. This is where you'll add your American Express gift card. Click on Add Payment Method and enter your American Express gift card details, the card number, expiration date, and the security code located on the back of the card. Be sure to enter the information carefully to avoid any errors. Now, when you're ready to make a purchase, proceed to checkout where you'll see your added American Express gift card as a payment option. Select it to use the funds on the card. If your purchase exceeds the gift card balance, eBay will prompt you to add another payment method to cover the remaining amount. You can use a credit card, debit card, or even another gift card. Just select the split the balance option. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily redeem your American Express gift card on eBay and snag that item you've been eyeing. Enjoy your shopping.